all packed, ready to get our bus at 7. We're probably over.
I want to take out some stuff.
Just gonna take out some stuff. Okay, it's a grey day in Hanoi.
The orange is so hard to kill.
Good luck. It's a weapon. Check-in done. Stressless, relatively. We checked in fine. Didn't even weigh our bags. We had no breakfast. And it's about a 2-hour flight and there's no food. And it's ridiculously expensive on the airplane too. So we're having Burger King. Very expensive, unfortunately. $17 US. About the same price as our hotel for one night in Thailand. See you in Thailand. Bye. Thailand. Still full from the burger. Gate 6, yeah?
Uh-huh. Oh, you also saw, right?
No, I'm watching.
It's fine. You smell.
I didn't see anything. You're like, Gate 6.
I saw a sign. Mystery.
The sign has disappeared.
Don't do. On me. Don't do.
Anyway, we'll find the bus first. And then we'll talk. Bye. Found the bus stop. Woo! A little bit far from where we thought it was before.
Don't do. Me?
Anyway, 1/5 the price of the taxi. Very cheap. Finally on the bus. How long was it? Maybe 20-minute wait? 20-minute wait. It's quite long. Could have been worse. Thankfully, we're sitting down, but it's pretty busy. Thankfully, there's aircon though, which is great. Next, we get off in about an hour, take the train, and then we'll be at the hostel. Bus done. Now BTS. There's 7-Eleven down here too.
Yeah.
We're gonna get some coffee.
They have way better.
It begins again. My wife just me. It's got shit. Very good size. Good for 2 people. Safety. First Thai supermarket, and it's extremely international.
It's Japanese.
It's Japanese. But we got Thai green curry. Not bad. A little bit spicy. Waiting for the CEO.
Oh!
God, I miss you guys so much.
Hey.
Welcomeです。どうぞ。
ね。
一応なんとか佐藤さん。どうぞ。
Yours? Yeah, yours looks perfect. Why?
I did it! What?
By a hairdresser.
Oh my god! Oh, well done! I would
Yeah,
have
right?
never known.
Yeah.
I would have never known.
Really?
No, very good, very good, very good. I approve.
Third time.
Really?